In primetime news this evening, family of conjoined twins given fresh hope for life-changing surgery.
Stakeholders fearing the worst as Dream series stay in Negril remains uncertain.
And St. Anne police could limit entertainment events at some venues due to congestion issues. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Shanella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, NCB Financial Group makes history by raising $225 million on the international capital markets. I'll have that and more in the business day.
And in the big show today, Spencer Darlington's here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer, what's up?
Thank you, Archie. Well, the date has been set for Jamaica's pre-World Championship camp in Japan. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain, is it going to be a sunny Independence Day or will there be rain?
There's a good chance it's likely to be a sunny Independence Day, especially if you're in the eastern portion of the island. Across the west today, we did have some extremely strong showers and thunderstorms, heavy rainfall affecting sections of Westmoreland and Hanover. I'll tell you more in the weather report and the forecast.
As he said, more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, in keeping with the theme, we're asking our viewers this evening, how will you celebrate Independence Day?
You can share your comments online as always, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.